Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today I'm gonna unbox a new Rubik's Cube which I just bought. Mm, it's, it's a neon 3 by 3 by 3. So let's open it. So this I bought it for I don't know like $7. $7 if you're an Indian. You might know $7 are like 500. I think that I'm just saying. But this I got it for 500. So I'm also gonna do another video. I think for a 2x2 video, 2x2, like not now. I'm just ordered it in Amazon. It's from Rubik's. So I know it's not that nice company, but still. I just scrambled it. Oh shit! It will be so hard now. She also has a quarter cut, and it's magnet with this. So I like knew this was gonna be magnets with this. So I love this one. There are like a lot ordered, but it didn't come. So yeah, if you like this video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm a Mr. Very and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.